The following is a conversation with Davit, a developer of a new game called NEDRA, a psychological horror adventure game. I'm going to play a 30-second clip at the beginning so you can get an idea of what the game is about, and then at the end of the conversation, I'll play the full 2-minute trailer. Now, let's get into it. All right. We have another episode up. Today we have David. Do you want to give me a quick introduction about yourself?
Hello, I'm David. I'm from Armenia, solo developer of NEDRA, survival horror game located in Antarctic, Soviet era. Develop all game alone over 6-7 years. It's my hobby. I don't think about that game like my business. This is just my hobby. I love that type of games, and I just first of all I love to tell stories. It's my first point that I want to develop games. So I start 2018, and I hope I can finish in 2025.
So, how long have you been programming? Did you start before you started the game?
I'm not a programmer. I'm artist. I'm my base position lighting artist. So I programming only on blueprints. I don't write scripts like I don't know C++. I can read. I understand what this is about, but I can't write a script from scratch. But all logic and rendering type of temps I write on blueprints. That's why I use Unreal Engine.
So, you're doing it by yourself. So, are you utilizing a lot of assets from the marketplace?
Yes, I buy some assets, but in this game overall, my friend helped me with this. Some 2 free hero objects he modeling by his own. Also, I modeling my own all stations. I modeling by myself. I buy some assets, some I don't know, little bottles, cups, tables, some kind of things. Asset library with this type of things, with in Soviet assets. So I find some in marketplace some assets, but I don't remember the modeler name of it, but I can find it. So I find some Soviet assets and I buy it. But overall, I modeling it, all other assets, and also my friend helped me with it.
You're doing the modeling. What tools do you use to do that?
I'm from 2001. I'm in CG, computer graphics. So my main programs is 3D Max, Maya, Blender. I don't have any issues with 3D softwares.
How much do you use Blender compared to the other ones?
Very little. I only maybe year. I don't know very well Blender like 3D Max or like Maya.
Yeah, I imagine if you have access to Maya, you would use that over Blender.
Yeah, sure. Because I think Maya and 3D Max give you all you need to do if you know it. If you can handle this type of things.
So, what made you start making this game?
What after first one, this is my second project. After the first one, I decided to make some kind of little, story with little bit of action. But I wrote some couple of stories, but I think I can't make that game alone. And one of these stories is about Soviet station in Antarctic. So I decide to go to Antarctic because it's one type of field, so not too much to modeling. Also, you can tell very interesting stories in Antarctica because even on 21, so we live in 21st century, but we have too much questions about this part of not country, how it told, place. Okay. Very secrets we have about this place and very random theories about of Antarctic, even Second World War have some kind of legends with Antarctic too. So I decided to write some kind of story that have some science fiction, horror elements, and based in Antarctic. So first off, I can't make that alone because overall modeling and random assets is very similar and easy to implement.
Your game has a very scary atmosphere. Definitely, that was the first thing that jumped out at me. How much of the story did you write before you started the game, or did you keep writing the story throughout the game?
Second, I write overall main character backstory that I can't use in game because it's very complicated right now. But my main character have a very huge story about why he go to Antarctic. I overall in storytelling, I in movies, in I don't know, in books. I love metaphors. I love philosophy. I love metaphors, and overall, all writers or directors, my favorite directors and writers, have some kind of layers of storytelling. First story that it's, I don't know, it's maybe action, maybe I don't know, horror, like Shining of Stanley Kubrick. It's my favorite horror movie. He have I don't know, 3, 4, 5, or 6 layers of metaphors, of some philosophies, and main layer that he just told the story. He just tell a story about one family. And if you want to understand more complicated parts of this story, you can watch this movie with, I don't know, with more, how can I explain it, this part is very complicated to explain this type of things in not native language. Maybe 2 times you can watch that film 2 or 3 times and understand random different things from this movie. So about your question, sorry, I expand my answer. About your question, I write overall backstory of main character and start of the game. So how they achieve that point in this station, in that station, and start to develop. and start to develop with development. I wrote other monologues. Monologue? Yeah, monologues. Because why monologues? Because all game storytelling is retrospective. So he game start with one point. He start to tell how he get to that point. So everything in game that you play, that you see, it's all from telling that sorry, I want to explain this part. All game he telling a player what he see, what he do, how he get that to the final stage. So you can while playing you can see. So you can hear about some kind of things. When I make this part, I find a solution of this way, this problem. So he told player how he achieved this part. So some kind of book storytelling, similar to book storytelling.
Are you doing the voices yourself? Or do you have a voice actor doing some of this?
When I start to when I start overall to find some voice actors, I don't have money for that, and I find solution AI solution. But I hope I can I can find some actor, voice actor. I can find some money from my publisher, then he can give to voice actors to play my main character, because I only have I need 3 voice actors right now, not AI. AI, right now when I'm playing, it's okay for me. I'm not native English speaker. It's really okay, and I see about how players play and streamers stream, and who is not native, it's okay for him. But in native English speakers, I guess they find some not natural parts.
What tool are you using for that? Is it something that integrates with Unreal, or is it a separate service?
No, separate service. I subscribe 11 Labs. 11 Labs.
Okay,
it's called.
Cool.
It's not bad. I find some really interesting parts from. I need to in ending of the game. I need. In every language, I need to have some whispers in every language in the world. And I find some solutions from that AI.
Now, you said you're using Unreal Engine, right? Have you had any big challenges or struggles with it, or how's that been?
Every game development is a big challenge, I think. It doesn't mean it's on Unity, Unreal, or Godot. Every game, if you want to start and end this and have a good product, it's a big challenge. So if you mean it's challenging to Unreal, overall Unreal Engine is more challenging for artists, is, I guess it's more easy to use Unreal Engine than another engines for artists, because Blueprint with blueprints, I think you can do anything you want without any understand how works C++ under of blueprints.
Even
But if
as
yeah, sorry.
even as a programmer, I really like the blueprints, and I find them very, very intuitive to use.
Yes.
Was your first project in Unreal too?
Yes, it's Unreal 4. And second, NEDRA is in Unreal 4 too. This is not 5 for 5 Unreal.
What was your first project?
Inmates, you can find on Steam too. It's some kind of walk simulator with puzzles.
Okay, not a horror game.
Psychological horror.
It was. It was also a horror game.
Yes, psychological horror.
Okay, awesome. With your modeling, is there anything in particular that's been your favorite thing to model?
For modeling, you mean 3D assets? I hate modeling.
Okay. You mentioned your publisher. How has that been? Can I ask who is your publisher and kind of how have they helped and played a role in your development?
I signed with my publisher, I think 3 months ago. They helped me with marketing. They helped me with Steam Next Fest and other fest too. Right now, I don't remember the names of this fest, but they wrote me some names that we need to put the game on random festis. I don't understand in marketing overall, but right now I read and I so understanding how it works in X, in Reddit. So they help me with overall marketing. They help me with QA and playtests. It's very huge for me because only I right now not right now only me can finish the game from scratch and finish. So they took that part and give to playtesters to spend some time and play my game from start to end. And I have a very huge comments what to need to polish to adding, because when you 6-7 years work on some project, you can't see good or bad parts of this project. It's overall the same for me right now.
How did you get connected with your publisher?
Very on X, on Twitter. I find some guy, or he find me. I don't remember right now. He's a music composer. We just talk to each other. He want to help me with some music. I just ask. I just told him I don't have any budget for this game. Only my budget is only my hours of life. So and he told me that he have some good friends in publishing fields and just connect each other. That guy.
Awesome. You mentioned Next Fest. That just happened. How was your experience with that?
It's my first time when my first game. I don't think in 2017 that Steam have Next Fest. I don't remember that part. So for me, it's very good. So I have I don't know 8 time maximized wish list. I don't remember that word. So right now I got over 8,000 wish list, and it's all on Next Fest.
That's really
So
incredible.
yes, I have 1,000 I think, and after Next Fest I get 8,000, near to 8,000 wish list.
Wow. That's huge. Now, with your first game, did you have a publisher? Did you do that all by yourself?
No, on my first game I have publisher. So that's why I don't understand how market has marketing the game, because my two projects is with I'm working with publishers.
So it's a different publisher for this game, though. Is there
Yes,
any
yes.
reason you didn't work with your previous publisher?
No. It's okay with them, and it's okay with new ones. I want. I Right now I'm planning my the third project, and I think I can find another one. Maybe I want to uh, networking with random peoples, because I guess every indie developer have some goals to, I don't know, to have some little studio, and one publisher that he work with this publisher on every project with every field. I think every indie developer have some kind of goal. So I don't planning to work on third project alone. I have to find some a little budget to start third project. So that's why I want to expand my networking with publishers.
What do you have in mind for your third project? Another horror game?
I have 3 or 4 projects that I need to choose one of these, and from these 4 projects, 2 is horror, 2 not.
Are they're all very story driven though?
Yes, it's for me. It's on first place. Need to have some unique and interesting story.
And so you've been working on it, you said 6, 7 years, and you want to get it done this year and have it fully released?
I hope yes. But right now, I finished the project. Right now, I'm polishing and work with playtesters to understand how achieve some more understandable mechanics, because my main game loop is a little bit complicated. I need to polish some part of to make it more understandable for everyone.
Do you have an idea of how many hours of gameplay it takes to get through the game?
I have 3 endings. I guess to achieve all 3 endings and every achievement, I think 8 hour, 8 9 hour. But with one ending and standard achievements, I guess 6 7 maybe hours.
Okay. Now, can you talk a little bit about the mechanics of the game? Is there a leveling system or anything like that?
No, I don't have any RPG system. That's why I call it story-driven game, because everything you do, every part of the gameplay, every asset, every gameplay mechanics, everything is connected with story. For me, I love some kind of RPG games, or Fallout and Skyrim is more my favorite games. But yes, but for that game's story is on third place or second place. First place is gameplay mechanics. For me, first place story driven story, and second place is game mechanics. So that's why I everything in my game is connected to tell a story. And I forgot your question.
Yeah. So more about the mechanics. Is it more puzzles, or is there a combat system? How about that aspect?
I have some kind of stealth system that I don't know. Can I call it stealth? Because you need to. Main loop is connected with your body temperature, so you need to. When your body temperature is go down from normal body temperature and you achieve to hypothermia, close to achieving that hypothermia, only on that part monsters can't see you, so you can use this 10-50 seconds to stealth and to go through them and without any aggression, without any fight. But when your body temperature is normal, they see you and they want to kill you. And it's main loop when you fight with frostwalkers. So this monster called frostwalkers. But I have them enemy, people enemy too. Also, I have some flying enemies too. So, and from part to part, gameplay is changing. Game loop is changing overall. So with people people always see you if they. You in their view radius, but monsters can see you when your body temperature is normal. So that's why you need to go with this to understand how it works. So if you find some place that you need to walk from to achieve another place, sorry for my English, and there in 10-15 guys, monsters, they you see 15 or 20 monsters there. You need to eat some. It's spoiler, but I think I can ask about it. You need to eat some worm. Real worm, and after that your body temperature is go down for a few seconds, and you need to run from there, from that they don't see you, but you can have hypothermia and die after that, so you need to balancing with this.
And you did this with blueprints.
Yes.
How did you learn the blueprints? Did you find courses, YouTube videos, just read the docs?
From my first project.
Oh, okay.
My first project is more easier to do. I finished that in 2 years, and I learned Unreal Engine from that project too. Also, I'm working in a game development company. That's why I call this NEDRA is my hobby, and I work overall on other company too, and I work on Unreal and also on custom engine with other custom engines, in-house engines.
Does your game have any cheat codes?
Right now I have some kind of cheat codes, but I hope I remember and I remove it from final release.
Okay, maybe just a couple wrap-up questions here. Is there any advice you have for somebody else looking to start a game?
Any advice? I know you know I'm overall I'm romantic. I have romantic some views on game development, and I'm working, and I'm my network in game development overall, but very little kind of person that work in game development love game development. I don't know why it's right now. It's maybe because very huge part of people know that too much money in game development. That's why they jump in. They want to jump in, but they don't like this. I can tell just one part or one thing. Do what you like. Just maybe it's very everybody to tell this type of things, but I do what I really like right now. I like story. I like story. I like games, but for me, first off is story. So I can make movie. I love movie. I love reading. I write books. I make games. I hope one day I can make some movies too. So for me, it's first of all is story. So do what you really like. Just like my advice for everyone.
I did have one more question about when you first got started with the game. Did you write a game design document or anything like that, or did you just jump right in?
You know, I try to write some game design documents. I have some experience to write. I have some. I don't remember this game designer name. He want to make for EA. Alice in Wonderland's second part, and in network I find game design document from cancelled second part, and it's very huge. So it's first time I think I see this type of game design, this type of detailed game design document. And after that I read this game design document, I understand that I can't write this type of thing. Also, I work alone, and I don't need it. So if I have a team of three, I don't know, very little team, I start to write design document. But when I work alone, I think it's more waste of time. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm not right.
Okay, I'm going to share your links. I'll put them in the video description. I'll overlay them on the screen. But do you want to tell people where they can go or where they should check out your game?
Right now I have on Steam live demo, but I planning to give some update maybe end of this month, I hope. Because overall right now I'm working with playtesters, so I work on overall game. But I want to make some update on demo too. They can download and play my free demo. I have some bugs there, but I promise all will be fine on the final release of the game.
Awesome. Well, your game looks beautiful. I'm really excited to share it with people and get them to check it out. So thank you, David, for your time today.
Thank you too. Thank you too.
Maybe we can chat again once your game gets released.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Вдали от родины, но гордо, как над нею, в краю земли, покрытой вечным льдом. Зимовки наших флаг багряный веет, здесь мы, друзья, полярники живем. Зимовки наших флаг багряный веет, здесь мы,